Hi Facebook, how are you? I hope you're all well and you're having an amazing week. It certainly is a fantastic week for a lot of people I know in the run home to the end of the month. Can you believe we're heading into April already? My goodness, this year is absolutely flying. So I just wanted to pass on a really quick tip that I came across today to do with avoiding how to get into Facebook jail. And I know that this is something that is on a lot of people's minds with regards to how to avoid it, right? It is really important because Facebook is such a widely popular social media platform that it is really important for you to understand how it's used. So when you actually join Facebook, you join up with your personal profile. So there are terms and conditions around your personal profile. And one of the things that it does say in the terms and conditions is that you will not use this for business purposes. So hit me a 1 if you've been in Facebook jail before, and hit me a 2 if you would really like to learn a very quick hot tip or something to be mindful of as you develop social media relationships to avoid Facebook jail. So the key thing to understand with Facebook is that it is really about networking and making friends, and also really developing relationships and people getting to know, like, and trust you. And I suppose this particular topic about Facebook jail is really geared around those people that are using Facebook as part of their social media strategy. Really, Facebook tends to like people to build their businesses around their fan page or a business page, right? But if you're building your network marketing, there are different schools of thought around it. However, it is typically recommended that you first build your following on your Facebook personal page and then transition across to your fan page, right, or your business page. So, but there are some practices on Facebook that I wouldn't think are very, good for building your business, and constantly posting links or talking about your company is not typically seen very kindly. Facebook tends to frown upon those things. So what they've done very recently is they've actually adjusted their algorithm, and what they've done is that they're tending to look at people that use the same kinds of words in posts consistently all the time. So if you're looking at posting and you're using like words like company or sale or anything like that on a regular basis all the time, I'm not suggesting and I'm not saying that these are the words that they're looking for. They haven't disclosed what it is, but they're trying to identify those people that are deliberately pitching their businesses all the time, right? And they're what a lot of people in the industry are finding is that they're finding themselves in jail, the Facebook jail. And that's not a good thing for your business if you're using Facebook as an integral part of your strategy to build your business. You really have to be very, very careful about how you develop your relationships and your social media following. So it's really, really key that you understand that attraction marketing is a better way to go with building your business, right? And so the algorithm is designed to try and catch those people that are deliberately posting about their company and or product all the time. And if this is you, it might be time for you to reassess the way that you're actually building your business and to really start looking at strategies to be able to take your conversations offline, to be able to further develop your business, right? So look, every now and again, it's not going to be a problem, but what this algorithm and Facebook are trying to really separate and identify are those people that are constantly posting about their company all the time, all the time, all the time, or talking about their product all the time, all the time, all the time. And you know, you've seen those posts, they're out there, and it is tend to be seen as spammy or, you know, too much in your face, etc. Look, everybody does things differently, and I'm not here to criticize or to say that that's wrong or anything like that, but typically what's been working in our business and why we're in such great momentum is through attraction marketing. And the cool thing about attraction marketing is that you take conversations offline and you're able to develop friendships and conversations offline. And that is really the proper way to go in terms of, you know, trying to develop relationships or friendships and establish some potential conversations that might lead to people joining your business. Most leaders, in fact, I've not heard of a leader that's developed a multiple seven-figure earner, a multiple seven-figure business by constantly posting about their product or company all the time. However, in saying that though, I'm sure that there are people out there that are doing reasonably well doing that. You know, personally myself, I much prefer attraction marketing, and that is why I've not been in Facebook jail either. I know that Carl, you've actually said that as well. And so at the end of the day, I just wanted to bring that to your attention. It's a very hot tip. Try to stop to do that. Don't do it anymore. You know, don't constantly post about your company all the time. Don't post about your product all the time, because you know what? Facebook are going to find you and they're going to stop you and they're going to throw you into Facebook jail. That's going to hurt your business. It could potentially hurt your credibility as well. And it really is important that, you know, for longevity as well, in terms of longevity of your business, that you adopt attraction marketing strategies so that way you're attracting the right people into your business and you avoid Facebook putting you into Facebook jail because you're using your personal profile incorrectly. So just a hot tip there. Give me a 2 if you can appreciate that. Or sorry, a 3. I'm up to number 3 now. I'm losing my numbers. Because I know that there's a lot of people out there that actually use Facebook for their business. And there are ways around it. There are ways to do it. But I think for longevity, it is really important that you adopt attraction marketing principles to be able to, as I mentioned before, attract the right people, but also be able to use the social media platforms correctly. That's going to really not limit you to conduct business online. So, yeah, it is 3. Yes, it is a 3. So anyway, I hope people got value out of that. And I really hope that you're having a great night. I'm having an amazing week this week, and a lot of our team are just rank advancing, and it's been fantastic. It's, you know, new moon tonight. Hit me a 5. Hit me a 5 if you love new moons and you set intentions for the next 30 days. I love them. I get my crystals out. I'll just show you. I get my crystals out. See? I don't know if you can see that. So I've got a whole heap of crystals there, and I pull them out. I'll be putting them out tonight, and then writing my goals that I want to achieve for the next 30 days as well. And I've got my little, where is he? My little Buddha here as well. I bring him out new moon as well. My little Buddha as well. I've got my little more crystals. I love crystals. Love, 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 love crystals. Right, this is my favorite. It's a piece of rock. Well, I know this has got nothing to do with Facebook, but I just thought I'd show you. This is from Sedona, and for those of you who don't know about Sedona, there's a vortex in Sedona which I suppose helps increase your awareness. I don't know, I'm not, you know, too much, I don't know too much about it, but I know that heightens your spiritual awareness, I suppose, and this is a rock from there. I absolutely love it. It's beautiful. So yeah, guys, sorry, I just off topic there, and I know that's a big no-no when you're doing Facebook Lives, but just a little bit about me. I love crystals. So I hope you love that tip about Facebook jar. It's really, really important that you embrace it, you use it the right way, and you're going to achieve longevity. You'll attract the right audience. You'll get a following. You'll get people that, will champion you, and, your business is going to naturally, organically grow. So anyway, I hope you guys have a great new moon. Happy new moon, guys. Happy end of the month. I hope you guys are smashing it, and I look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow night. Take care. Bye.